Hi, madam. My name is Yap Jiyun. I am the group leader of this project, and my group members are Tam Kai Li, Jamie Lim Si Ting, and Yap Shi Tong. The title of this project is Hospital Management System. It will be considered with 6 overview, which is introduction, stakeholder, requirement elicitations, requirement, system constraints, and diagram. Now, my group member will start to present their parts.
Hi, Miss. I'm Jamie Lim Shi-ting. Today, I'm going to introduce our hospital system. Our hospital system is a cutting-edge digital platform designed to evaluate and streamline the medical experience for nurse, doctor, and patient. This comprehensive system integrates a suite of features to enhance patient record, appointment, medical record, and prescription management. Now, let me pass to Yap to continue the next slide.
Okay, hi Miss, I'm Shitong. Today I'm going to present about the stakeholders. So at first we start from the patients. Once patients are registered, patients can actively manage their profile. Patient can also input and update their allergy record. After that, after patient post login, they can schedule appointment online. Besides, patients can also choose their preferred doctor for their consulting or treatment. For doctor, they can log into the system and access their profile. Besides, they can access to salary record and leave application through the system. Doctors can also access comprehensive patient information to make sure the treatment process smoothly. Doctor can also input and update diagnostic and test result for patients after consulting or treatment. And the next one is nurse. Nurses can log into the system and manage their personal profile. They also have the responsibility to create and manage patient accounts. And in addition to this, they need to confirm appointments made by patient. Nurses will receive doctors' prescription and medical leave instruction. Now is the last stakeholders, which is admins. Admins upon login, they can access and manage their profile within the system. Admin also have the authority to register new employee, include doctors and nurses. And apart from this, admins can manage working schedule for employee and approve leave requests, while doctor or nurses are requested for a leave.
Now I will show Miss about our requirement elicitation. We have chosen questionnaires as our method from gathering customer feedback. The first question is, what improvement or addition do you think will enhance the efficiency of your process? And for the second question is, are there any specific problem you experience with the existing system? For the third question is, what are some common tasks that take up a significant amount of your time? And the next question is, have we accurately captured or addressed your need and expectation? For doctor, we have chosen questionnaires as our primary method. And the first question is, what challenge do you currently face in your role that you believe a new system could address? And the second question is, are there any specific feature or functionalities you would like to see in the hospital system? For the third question is, what improvement or addition do you think will enhance the efficiency of your task? And the next question is, are there any areas where you notice inefficiency or bottleneck in the current workflow? For admin, we choose interview as the method for gathering insight because there are not many administrators. So the example interview question is, how can the system be better assist in generating reports for medical inventory, patient statistic, and monthly revenue? And the second question is, how does the hospital system currently facilitate the registration and onboarding process for new medical staff, and what improvement could be made? For the third question is regarding the appointment management system, what feature do you find most crucial for ensuring efficient scheduling and patient flow?
Hi, my name is Tam Kai Li. My student ID is 1211207419. Today, I will present about the part I done during my project. The main responsibility for me is to collect requirements and list the final requirement of user and admin based on customer or user feedback. After several rounds of modification, our final requirements are divided into 4 parts, which are patient, doctor, nurse, and admin. In patient requirement, patient can register their account by entering their IP or passport number, and patient can view and manage their personal profile. After login, patient can make appointment online to reduce the waiting time. During the appointment, patient can choose doctor, date, time, and also can choose to consultation online or physical. In addition to appointment, patient will also be able to book date and time for their health scanning package. After make the appointment, patient can check for the status of appointment. If patient has just made the appointment status will show pending, and the appointment status will become successful after the nurse confirms the appointment status. In admin requirement, admin also can view and manage their personal profile and view their salary record and apply for leave. Admin can manage doctor and nurse. For example, admin can register new doctor and nurse, view and manage their work schedule, approve their leave, and pay for their salary. Finally, admin also need to generate reports including medical inventory report, patient statistic report, monthly revenue report, and more. In nurse requirement, nurse can view and manage their personal profile and view their salary record and apply for leave. If the patient has not previously created an account, the nurse can create a new patient at the counter. The nurse also needs to manage appointments for the patient, and the nurse needs to confirm, change, or reject appointments made by patient. In addition, the nurse also needs to update the appointment status if the patient needs to change or cancel their appointment. After the doctor's consultation, the nurse will receive a prescription and medical leave from doctor. Therefore, nurse need to prepare the medication and print out the medical leave for the patient. In admin requirement, admin also can view and manage their personal profile and view their salary record and apply for leave. Admin can manage doctor and nurse. For example, admin can register new doctor and nurse, view and manage their work schedule, approve their leave, and pay for their salary. Finally, admin also need to generate reports including medical inventory report, patient statistic report, monthly revenue report, and more.
Hi, madam. My name is Yap Ji-yun. Now I will be going here to talk about system constraints. First of all, the time constraint include project durations, time to market, and milestone deadline. The project duration is the system is scheduled to be complete within 4 months from the project initiation date, as well as the duration include all phases of the project such as requirement gathering, design, development, testing, and deployment. Second, the time to market is the target go-live date for the hospital management system. It is set for 4 months from the project initiation date. And the development section, spanning from May to July, is to ensure that the hospital management system is operational. Now, the second system constraint is the scope constraints. Scope constraints are well divided into two, which are user scope and system scope. The first user scope is user access and permissions. User will have access only to their own data and informations. The second is functional limitations. User will be constrained to utilize only the features and functionality explicitly defined in the system requirement. Now, for the next system scope is technological compatibility. The system will operate within the defined technological environments and may not be compatible within outdated or unsupported technological. The scalability limit are the requests for scalability beyond their limits that will be considered as potential features enhancement. The last of the system constraints is the cost constraint. The budget allocation is the project is allocated a specific budget of 3,000 to 302,000 of the idle durations. The budget includes all project-related expenses such as a personal, technological, material, and any external service. The next is the fixed budget is the project operated under a fixed budget model, and any cost overrun are limited. The last of the cost contract is the resources allocation. Resources allocation, both human and material, is constrained by but get the right limit. Now I will continue to present the diagram. First of all, I will present the use case diagram. We start from the patient first. The patient can register, log in the account, can make appointment for health scanning package, can consulting either online or physical with the doctor, and receive prescriptions depending on medical leave. And patient can make a payment. Patient also can view or manage the personal profile and reset the password. For the doctor can view, edit, or update the booking slots, access patient history, consulting patient health, and update patient history. Not only that, doctor can view or manage the personal profile and can reset a new password when their doctor is forget the password. So for the third is a nurse. Nurse can provide the precision depending on medical leave, and also can view or manage the personal profile and reset a new password. Besides that, nurse can manage patients like add or confirm or reject the appointment. Not only that, nurse can medical record, receive the payment from the patients, and the last is medical file like injection, both or patients. Lastly, the admin can manage the nurse schedule and can manage the doctor schedule. Next, the admin can generate report like medical inventory and monthly revenue. Register new doctor and nurse. Admin can also view and manage the personal profile and set up a new password.
Now I will share with Miss our class diagram. As you can see, we got 4 users, which are patient, nurses, doctor, and admin. All of the users are required to log in before they're using this system. So let's go through the patient part first. So as a patient, one patient can only view one profile. After that, they can update a legit record and choose the health scanning package. After that, they can make the payment to having, if they need to having consulting, they need to make an appointment first. After that, they can having a consulting with a doctor. After that, they need to make a confirmation of appointment with nurses. And then after they finish the consulting, they will receive the prescription dispensing from doctor. And then now we go to the doctor part. Doctor can also view their personal profile. Besides, they can also view the appointment or edit an appointment, make sure they can allocate time accurately. So as a doctor, they can also apply a leave form and view their working schedule. They can generate medical report for patient. After that, they need to send the prescription dispensing to patient. And then it's nurses. Nurses can add new patient to record their details, and they can also apply a leave form and view their work schedule and medical report for patient. Many nurses can have many medical view. After that, nurses needs to count the expenses and make sure they have received the payment from the patient. Okay, now is the last class, which is admin. For admin, he can manage doctor and nurse accounts like add or delete. Besides, he can also manage the working schedule and generate various reports to gain insight into different aspects of healthcare operation. So that's all for class diagram. Now pass to my next group mate to continue the presentation.
Next, for the patient diagram, we start from login to register an account. So the patient can log into the system. And next will be verification. If the verification is false, there will be end of the system. So if the verification is true, it will be considered with two parts, which is personal profile and make appointment. In the personal profile, patient can view profile, manage profile, update allergy record, and view medical history record. So next, for the make appointment, also can consider with okay, now for the make appointment, can consider with two, which is consulting and health scanning package. We start from consulting. The consulting that patient can select a doctor and select the type and date. After confirmation, if the confirmation is false, is the date and the time of the doctor appointment is fully appointment, so the patient must be select again the doctor and the valid date and time. And if the confirmation is true, that will be considered with two consisting, which is online consulting and physical consulting. For after consulting, it will be seeking medical, receive prescriptions depending, and medical leave. After that, the patient will make appointment. After make appointment, they will log out and end of the system. So for the last, for the make appointment is a health scanning package. So for this, patient can select a package they want to checking. So continue that patient can select time and dates. If the confirmation is false, it's like the date of time is appointment is fully, so the patient will be select again the time and dates. After the confirmation is true, the patient must be paid first for the payment of package, and then it will be continued to scanning, waiting result, seeking doctor, and the last will be receive precisions, depletions, and payment.
In this circle diagram, we can see that at the beginning, doctor needs to log into their account first. If the information for login is correct, doctor can success to log into their account, else the account cannot be logged in and directly go to log out and finish the system. After success login, doctor can manage their personal profile, including view and manage their profile, view the patient history record, and view their salary and can apply for leave. In addition, doctor can view their working slot, including view, edit, and update their appointment schedule. The doctor also can consult patients. The consulting section is divided into two consulting methods, but the consulting process is the same for both online and physical consulting. The process involves assess the patient medical history, consulting the patient's physical condition, passing the prescription dispensing and medical leave to nurse, and updating the patient medical history. In this nurse activity diagram, also same with the doctor activity diagram, the nurse need to log into their account first. After success login, nurse also can manage their personal profile, including view, manage their profile, view their salary record, and apply for leave. Nurse also can manage patient, including adding a new patient, view patient appointment date and time, and confirm or reject patient's appointment. In addition, nurse also need to handle patient medical record, including receiving prescription and medical leave from doctor and sending it to patient. Nurse also needs to receive the payment from patient. Moreover, nurses are required to handle the medical field, including taking blood pressure, administering injection, and measuring pressure. Next, in the admin activity diagram, the admin also same with the nurse and doctor need to log in first. After success login, the admin can manage all of their profile, Admin also can manage doctor and nurse, including view and manage their work schedule, approve their leave, and pay for their salary. Besides that, admin also need to generate reports, including medical inventory report, patient statistic report, and monthly revenue report for the hospital. That's all my part for this project. Thank you.